Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save energy with SolarCity detailed guide step by step clearly. To save energy with SolarCity, start by evaluating your current energy consumption. Determine your average monthly electricity bills to understand your energy usage. Next, assess your property's solar potential. Inspect your roof for its size, orientation, and shading. Research local solar incentives and rebates available in your area. Contact SolarCity for a professional consultation. A SolarCity representative will conduct a detailed energy audit and roof assessment. They will provide you with a customized solar solution tailored to your needs. Review the proposed system size and equipment options. Consider the financing options available, such as purchasing, leasing, or power purchase agreements. Once you choose a plan, the installation process will begin. A qualified team will install the solar panels onto your roof. They'll connect the system to your existing electrical panel. After installation, a final inspection will be conducted to ensure everything is up to code. Once approved, your solar system will be activated. Start monitoring your energy production through the SolarCity app. Regularly check for updates to your energy usage and savings. Be proactive about maintenance by cleaning your solar panels periodically. With consistent monitoring and care, you'll maximize your energy savings. Enjoy the benefits of reduced electricity bills and decreased carbon footprint. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested content. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.